Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Swinney, once again on the balcony overlooking the New York Stock Exchange right behind me. Yes, the traders are making some noise, and guess what? They're making noise because it's nearly that time. It's almost 4 o'clock. The Mets, they nearly choked last night, but they didn't. And traders, they're ready to run out of here, and well, so am I. Ladies and gentlemen, lift up a drink, lift up your glass, and cheers. It's happy hour in the Big Apple. U.S. stocks, they are higher this Wednesday afternoon, trying really hard to maintain those early morning gains. This as oil prices traded in a very wide range following an inventories report. Now, crude prices did turn positive for a short while. This after the Energy Information Administration said U.S. oil inventories fell by about 600,000 barrels last week, but oil failing to maintain those gains. Oil last down a little more than 2%. Meanwhile, data released today includes import prices for the month of August, which did fall 0.2%. Economists expecting import prices to be down just 0.1% in August. And with investor focus already on the U.S. Central Bank scheduled to meet next week and deliver its latest decision on monetary policy, something I've talked about quite a bit in recent sessions, and also a weaker U.S. dollar, then you have yourself a session right now where about 4 stocks are on the upside for every 3 decliners right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the more than halfway point of the trading week. And on the corporate front, it's almost official. Monsanto going to be taken over by a rival in the biggest takeover announced so far this year to clinch the deal. Germany's Bayer adding even more money into its bid for the U.S. seed giant, valuing it at $66 billion, including debt. Now, this is the 3rd time Bayer has lifted its offer, and this time it was more than enough to win the backing of Monsanto's board. The takeover would create a large conglomerate spanning pharmaceuticals, pesticides, and health products. And talk about takeovers, I'm hoping the New York Mets take over tonight's series in D.C. and take that series from the Nationals all around. Well, at least I can hope. Big scare last night, but I woke up this morning with a smile. Let's go Mets, and until tomorrow, for Modern Wall Street saying I'll see you then, I'm James Swinney.